Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're delving into a mesmerizing phenomenon known as the domino effect. Prepare to witness the magic of interconnected events and discover how a single push can set off a mesmerizing chain reaction. The story of the domino effect dates back centuries, to a time when philosophers and scientists pondered the intricate connections between cause and effect. It was in this exploration that the seeds of understanding were sown. Imagine a line of dominoes standing tall, each one poised to fall. When the first domino tips over, it triggers a cascade of tumbling pieces, each striking the next in a mesmerizing dance of cause and effect. This captivating concept isn't just about falling dominoes. It's a powerful analogy for the interconnectedness of events in our world. From physics to social systems, the domino effect is a reminder that our actions, no matter how small, can lead to significant outcomes. In science, understanding the domino effect helps us predict and manage complex systems, from the spread of diseases to the behavior of particles. But it's not just about science. The domino effect teaches us about the delicate balance of cause and consequence in our everyday lives. As we conclude our exploration of the domino effect, we're left with a profound appreciation for the intricate web of events that shape our world. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes.